Hi, we're gonna make octopus with curry sauce. Okay, then that's octopus. You can buy them already cooked, or you can buy the raw one, or you can use something else. You can use like squid or clam or snails, stuff like that. But today we're using the cooked octopus, and you cut them slice kind of thinner slice because they already cooked, so you don't have to do any more cooking on that. See, like that. You put it all together. Okay. First, we have to put some oil in it. Okay, then we're gonna put some ginger, cut up gingers, and onions, sliced onion, about cup, half a cup of onion, and cup of cut up celery, and pepper, and green and red pepper. And you kind of brown them a little bit. Then we're going to put the octopus in it. And we're going to put little white pepper, a little bit of cooking wine, and a tablespoon of sesame seed oil. And we're gonna put some curry powder into it. Curry powder, spicy curry powder. Okay, then we're gonna put around two tablespoons. And we're gonna put like one oyster sauce, one tablespoon of oyster sauce. And 1 tablespoon of sugar. and you have to cook it longer so you can dry up the sauce a little bit, kind of thickening them. Otherwise, you can put some cornstarch here and mix it thicker. And pea pat. Well, I think it's ready, so we're gonna scoop them up. Okay, this is octopus with curry sauce.